Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. Welcome if you're new here. So today what we're doing is we are doing a scenery on a mug. This one here, you'll have to check it out. It is a mountain full of just with the clouds kind of moving towards it. Below is some grass to go with it, and then in front is like a little lake. That is typically what it's going to turn out to be. It is my first attempt, so please be mindful of the attempt there. I still got some work to do. The short shows like I fixed it a little bit. However, this shows that basically I'm just trying to be real with the craft, that I'm not perfect, that I'm learning myself. So yeah, that's about it. I like doing the real version of my crafts, of these, because eventually with the practice it's just gonna get better and better. I have many other options that I'm gonna do, or other ideas I'm gonna do with these mugs, and I love this idea. I just wanted to let you guys know that I have a couple other channels going on. My fact channel that I'll leave in the description below, and my dog channel. And my mystery box, that one's gonna kind of come more with time, just because I can't keep purchasing mystery boxes. However, what I'm putting on the white going on the blue is supposed to be the clouds. If you can't tell, I'm sure you can. There's a lot of playing around with this stuff too, right, that we gotta be mindful of. It's not gonna be perfect, and that's okay. This is my perfect right now, and it's only gonna get better. What else was I gonna say? There's something else I was gonna say about this. So I have a couple more in mind that I'm gonna keep doing with these. Probably gonna add some more blue to the top above the blue, just for better, just for more, I guess, just to touch it up, I guess. Just because I thought, oh, it'd be perfect just like that, but maybe I was wrong. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna fix, and that's it. So enjoy the rest. Sorry this is so long, that I'm talking for so long, but I wanted you guys to hear from me too, and not just always keep guessing of what exactly I'm trying to do if you're unsure, because I've always had a creative mindset, but I've never been the best when it came to the skill. So that's what I'm learning, and that's what I'm working on, and creating a habit as well. And yeah, there's just going to be a lot more to come. I'm looking forward to it. You guys have a great day. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below for other ideas as well. I love ideas. I love getting the ideas from you guys. Anyways, have a great rest of your evening. Keep smiling, keep shining. Chat soon. Bye now.